Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing my views regarding Embryolisse Lead Cream Concentrate, and this is hailed as every makeup artist's secret weapon. So today I will be sharing my views about this particular product because it's really popular among a lot of celebrities and makeup artists. Said to be a must-have product for makeup artists, celebrities and models. It is basically a cult favorite that has found its way onto countless photo shoots, television and film set. So Embryolisse is a French pharmaceutical brand which was created in 1950s by a physician who really desired to create his own pharmaceutical skincare brand, and he didn't fail to meet his expectations. The thing that makes it completely different from other brands' cream is that you can use it as a primer. It is brilliant as a primer, believe it or not. And you can also use it as a moisturizer itself, and you can also use it to remove your makeup, and you can also use it as a sleeping mask for calming your skin. So it is a really multitasker. It seems like a really good cream. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's an aluminium tube which gives quite a old look to it. It looks like a very old cream that you've been using since 1940s or 50s. So the ingredient list of this cream is pretty simple. It has paraffin, which might be controversial because this is a skincare brand, this is a pharmaceutical brand. It has paraffin, which is said to be not good for skin. It also has mineral oil, which is some people believe that is not at all good for skin, and it's quite harmful. It also has fragrance, which might be also bothersome for some people. This cream has a very light and watery sort of texture, which is something I really like because then it would be really easy to apply it over a relatively wide area of the face. Since I have very oily and acne prone skin, I like to use a pea-size amount or maybe less than that of this product. Reason being that is this cream has a lot of moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, fatty acids and mineral oils. So due to which, if you apply a lot of this product, especially if you have oily skin, then you will end up having acne, or maybe your pores will get clogged. Those who are suffering from a very dry skin can use this cream as much as they want or as per their requirement, as it has a lot of moisturizing benefits for the skin. So I think it's really great for those who have dry skin, and those who have oily skin should also use it, but in a very considerable amount. So let me just quickly clear a few points that people consider as drawback of this product. The first thing people think that is it's not meant for those who have oily or acne prone skin. In my personal view, I think if you're using it in a considerable amount, it is completely fine to use this moisturizer. And second thing, people believe that it tends to give you a very oily or greasy look if you have oily skin, but this is not true. I mean, at some point it can be true if you apply too much of this product, but if you are using, as I said earlier, if you're using a very considerable amount of this product, then it will not going to look any greasy or any sort of like that. So the question that a lot of people have been asking about this product is that, is it worth the hype, or is it a really good primer? I personally think yes, maybe, because I think it's really great for those who have dry skin, as it gives them a really good boost of hydration, and it will also act as a really good makeup base. For oily skin people, I think it will also work if you are using it in a considerable amount. And I think the only disappointment that I've received from this product so far is that it will not do anything, or it might do at some point for your pores, but not too much. So if you are suffering from large pores or acne prone skin, then you should consider using some other primers out there in the market. But if you have no problem regarding pores, or you have dry skin, then you should definitely go for this primer. It's great and it gives a very nice glow, trust me on this. And there's one more thing that I want to point out is I do feel like it evens out my pores, and it would definitely smoothen out everything around my face at some point. So I think at some point it would do, I mean, just a little for your pores, but not too much. So if you have large pores, then you should not be using this primer. There is also a misconception about this product in the market. A lot of people believe that it would give you a lot of extra benefits for your skin rather than just giving you a hydration. It is not true. The only purpose of this cream is to give you a plumped up, glowing looking skin that you always ask for, and there's nothing extra benefits it would give you. So it has no benefits of its own, it has no extra benefits rather than just giving you glowing hydrated skin. So all it does is what a moisturizer does, with no other benefits rather than just hydration. And there's one more thing, if you're using it in the morning, then you should use SPF, because this cream do not have any SPF at all. So if you're using it, you should always use SPF before that. So guys, I think I've cleared every points of questions regarding this cream, and that's take us to the end of this video. And if you guys also wants to know how to use this cream in many different ways, then let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.